Welcome to the series of the exercise of Python. So as we have seen in the last two videos, the ways to calculate factorial of a number. So in this video we are going to see the one of the most important method, which is known as recursion. So let's get started. So let's take the input from the user. A is equal to input and enter a number, and we are going to print fact A. So again we are getting an error fact because we have not defined the function. So let's define the function over here, def fact, and again it will take the argument, and again we can use here any variable according to our need. And here with what we are going to do is we are going to use if and else condition. So if n less than equal to 1, then it will return n. Suppose we want to calculate a factorial of 1, it will check the condition. So 1 is less than equal to n, so it will return n, which is the factorial of 1, which is 1. And else, in the else part, we will return n into fact of n minus 1. Done. Let's run the command and see. So enter a number, suppose 5, we have got 120. So this is the way. So here we can use a inbuilt function to calculate the factorial of a number. So let's comment out this. So now we are going to see the inbuilt method which is used to calculate the factorial of a number. So we are going to take the input from the user, input, enter a number, and in order to calculate that we need to import some libraries, which is import maths. And now in order to use the math, we can use this command, print math dot factorial of a. That's it. Let's run the code. Enter a number, say 5, we have got 120. So these are the 4 different ways to calculate the factorial of a number. So there can be many other ways. So thank you for watching the video.